What's up, y'all? My name is RJ.
It's Jonah.
I'm Jason Davis.
My name is Becca.
And I'm hanging out with Delta Chi in New Orleans,
Reno, Nevada.
In Kansas City, Missouri.
In the city of brotherly love, it's Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
I'm so excited to take you along.
Really the most impactful things that I've really learned this week, trying to actually make a personal connection with them and not sell them on a sort of brand or your sort of organization or anything like that, but really sell them on the people that make up the organization.
The main thing I took away from this weekend is I know how to talk to people more, I know how to plan better, get recruitment numbers up, and help my chapter out.
Delta Chi, it's been an absolute blast. Thank you so much for your time and your vulnerability, your curiosity, your authenticity. Truly and honestly, thank you guys so much. And always, stay fired up.